I'm fixing back the mounting plate to the extruder of this CraftBot 3D printer. Earlier I had replaced the heater cartridge to this heater block here. You can see this is what I had done. These two wires goes to the heater cartridge. And there's one wire here. These two wires here, that's the thermistor. So after connecting everything back, I'm trying to fix back the mounting plate. So this video is just to highlight certain things that you have to fix it back, or rather I have taken down certain parts earlier and now I'm trying to fix it back. Take a look at this part here and this portion here. This fan hooks up to this portion here, and you're supposed to attach the spring which goes to this part here, and this big screw, this big Allen screw that goes to here. With that, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.